Hey boys, welcome back to week 5 of SBC Skills. So this week we're going to be looking at game-based fitness. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have Scott Minto here as my crash test dummy. Boys, the reason why we've put this together is obviously sitting at home. These are the things you can do at home to work on your rugby league game. So I'll explain it in a bit more detail when Scott's on the ground. Thank you. Okay boys, so this is obviously a modification on the Malcolm, so you're very aware of what the Malcolm is. So this is a bit of variation that comes from the Super League, so they've tried to expand on the Malcolm, so putting some more turns into it. Obviously game based, so you're starting from the ground, you're going to get up, you're going to retreat 5 metres, come forward 10 metres, and you're going to hit the ground again down the other end. So it's practicing getting off the ground. So boys, what it is 20 seconds. So Luke and Aim put on our chat or on the Teams a little app you can put on your phone. So every 20 seconds you're going to do one. You're going to do 3 sets of 6, and in between you're going to have a 2-minute rest. Okay, so every 20 seconds your alarm will go and you go and do another one of these modified Malcolms. So Scotty, if you just want to run through it for us, mate. So you start there, retreat back 5, you're coming forward 10, retreating, hitting the ground, getting up, hitting the ground there. So that's one, boys. So every 20 seconds a timer will go and you just keep going. So you need to do 3 sets of 6. We just move over to the second drill, Scott, that we can do at home. Okay boys, another variation is obviously all you need is 4 markers, even if you've got 4 shoes, 4 of anything. So what it is 8 metres. You're going to go up, straight up 8 metres. You're going to retreat as a batsman's turn. You all know what a batsman's turn is. Back to the white, up to the white, you retreat back. So you're going to do a set of 6, okay? And then you're going to have a 1-minute rest, and you're going to do another set of 6. So you're going to do 3 sets of 6. So I'll just get Scotty to do 1 set of 6, and we'll go from there. So he'll showcase what needs to happen. Righto, go. Up 10, batsman's turn back, hits the ground, comes up. There's 2. Hey boys, so that's just the 5th instalment of what needs to happen with regards to some game-based fitness. The reason why we do that is obviously in rugby league it's not all stand up, run back, and it's a lot of groundwork, so a lot of stuff getting off the ground, getting up. Our first 3 steps getting across 10 metres. Okay, so the first one was over 10 metres, this one's over 8 metres. So what I want to see here is your first 3, once you get up, your first 3 steps, getting into where you need to be, retreat and back, batsman's turn. So good luck with that at home. So remember, 3 sets of 6 with a little bit of rest in between. Good luck.